Hello, this is lesson number 4, and today we're going to discuss rest duration. These lessons are through musictheory.net. Rest represent periods of silence in a measure. Each type of rest shares a duration with a certain type of note. For example, both a quarter rest and a quarter note occupy the same amount of time. While the note would make a sound, the rest is the opposite, a silent. To determine this, let's fill a measure of 4/4 time with quarter notes. When we play, all 4 notes sound. Next, we will replace the second quarter note with a quarter rest. When we play the sounds, the second beat is now silent. Next, let's discuss the other types of rest. A whole rest occupies the same amount of time as a whole note, the whole measure. It is drawn as a box descending from the 4th line. A half rest occupies the same amount of time as a half note. It's drawn as a box ascending from the middle staff line. Like notes, rests can have flags. With one flag, an 8th rest has the same duration as an 8th note. With 2 flags, a 16th rest has the same duration as a 16th note. Although rarer, rests can even have 3 or more flags. Use this chart for a reference for rest duration. A whole rest takes up the whole measure. A half rest takes up half of a measure. A quarter rest takes up a quarter of the measure. An 8th rest takes up an 1/8 of the measure. And a 16th rest takes up a 16th of a measure.